Hey there, cosmic warriors, ready to have your mind bent like a spoon in a Matrix movie? Good, because today we're going to dive headfirst into the cosmic soup of Earthseeds, Starseeds, and the mysterious agenda swirling around them. Yep, it's going to get weird, but trust me, it's the best kind of weird. So buckle up, because you might just find out that reality is a lot more like science fiction than you thought. Let's kick things off with a fun question. Are you an Earthseed or a Starseed? Not exactly something you ask at a coffee shop, right? Well, we should. But here's the deal. You might be carrying the genetic keys to humanity's future. No pressure. In the wild world of Kylontic science, Earthseeds and Starseeds are like two different species of cosmic pioneers. Earthseeds, bless their hearts, are still linked to the host matrix families. Think of them as connected to the cosmic Wi-Fi, but not yet with a strong signal. They haven't activated their kilontocodes, which sounds like something straight out of a Dan Brown novel, I know. So they're more vulnerable to manipulation through holographic inserts. Yep, you heard me right, holographic inserts, more on that in a minute. Now, Starseeds, they're the rock stars of the human race. Some carry a silicate matrix, which isn't the name of a fancy sci-fi tech gadget, but something buried deep within their DNA. If that's you, then congrats. You're on the fast track to evolutionary greatness. And the Zetas, those sneaky little extraterrestrials, are very interested in your genes. The Zetas want to use Starseeds to breed a more versatile hybrid race. Why? Because Starseeds are equipped to see right through their illusions, those pesky holographic inserts, and the Zetas don't like being exposed for the puppet masters they are. So what's a holographic insert? Great question, Buttercup. Thought you might never ask. Imagine you're living in a movie and the script keeps changing. You're just living your life, sipping your spiked latte, when bam! Suddenly you're caught in a large-scale event that feels real but isn't. Holographic inserts are manipulative tools used to create artificial realities, events like major political movements or even religious dramas. Remember that epic Christ drama I casually dropped earlier? Yep, that was one of them. And you thought reality TV was fake? Earthseeds are particularly susceptible to this, and the Zetas plan to mess with their food, water and air supplies to cut off their emotional and intuitive faculties. The result, a breeding worker race completely out of touch with their cosmic roots. It's grim, I know, but here's where it gets interesting. Starseeds have a much better shot at avoiding these traps because they've got friends in high places. Literally, the Zionites, Pleiadians and other multi-dimensional groups have Starseeds' backs, keeping them out of Zeta's control. Now let's talk about women. If you think the Zetas are only messing with genetics and holographic drama, think again. They're also quietly waging a campaign against women, and it's oh so subtle. Have you ever noticed how the media seems to keep pushing this idea that a woman isn't complete unless she's a mom, or that she should feel guilty if she prioritizes her personal identity over breeding? Yeah, that's not an accident. The Zetas are playing on women's innate love for their children to push an outdated breeder-first agenda. But here's the real kicker. Traditional gender roles, those weren't supposed to be rules, they were meant to be options. Co-creative partnerships, mutual respect and personal freedom were the original blueprints, but surprise, surprise, the Zetas distorted all that thousands of years ago to keep humanity divided and conquered. Gender wars? Also part of the plan. They're stoking the flames of power struggles between men and women to keep us fragmented and disconnected from our true potential. The crystal gene and the silicate matrix. Here's an extra juicy nugget for you to chew on. Some of us carry something called the crystal gene, which, when activated, accelerates our evolutionary path. These people, often starseeds, are already on the cutting edge of human evolution, whether they know it or not. The silicate matrix in their DNA is the golden ticket to freedom, giving them multidimensional awareness and protecting them from the Zetas' forced matrix manipulations. In short, they're the Zetas' worst nightmare. And here's where it gets even juicier. The medical community, yeah, it's also been infiltrated by the Zetas and the interior government. Their agenda is to discredit holistic therapies and push drugs for emotional conditions that aren't even psychotic. Why? Because the emotional and intuitive faculties are what allow humans to break free from these holographic traps. So the next time you hear someone dismissing alternative medicine, just know it might not be an accident. final act. So what's the takeaway? You made it, Buttercup. Now, let's leave you with this. Earthseeds and Starseeds, despite their differences, are both crucial to the fulfillment of humanity's genetic plan. The key is awakening. Whether you're one of the silent leaders, a pioneer of your time, or just someone trying to make sense of it all, the truth is out there. And no, that's not a cheeky X-Files reference. Here's the thing. Reality isn't as it seems. The mind works best when it's open, and to navigate this cosmic drama, you've got to be aware of it. The Zetas can only mess with us if we stay asleep, but once you're awake, really awake, you'll see right through their holographic smoke and mirrors. So share this with your fellow Earthseeds and Starseeds, Buttercup. The future of the planet depends on it. Stay sharp, stay aware, and come back anytime. We've got plenty more to discuss, like how to bend spoons with your mind. Kidding, sort of.